Hey folks, Mark Norwood, Garrity RV. Thanks for coming out today. We're going to tour the Siesta by Thor. It's got it's a 24 SS, brand new, nice Sprinter style, full paint unit. Come on inside, let's take a look. Folks, again, thanks for joining. This is a great little unit. It's a Sprinter style RV. We've got the nice wood cabinets. It's a darker kind of walnut style, I'd say. You've got the nice booth with extensions. It's kind of a Euro seat, so you can lay back in it as well. What I love about this unit, we got a nice big slide. We've got kind of a privacy divider here, but it's not real big. It's your closet space, which is a nice big space. Nice cabinets for all your clothes and accessories. And what's really cool on this, you'll see this cabinet has double access. So if you got a hanger, you can reach in there. You don't always have to come from the front to get your clothes. This unit again has a walk around bed with a slide, giving you that ability to slide into it versus a corner unit or anything like that. And a little easier to make and prop those pillows up so it looks good for you. We got full entertainment come stock with these units, which is nice. You got a nice big TV. You don't have to worry about it. It's already installed. We've got a really nice bathroom here. Again, we're going in the corner bath in these units. These things measure about 25 feet, so to have a nice oversized bath, full shower is real nice. It's a functional bath for that travel. Again, I think these is a travel unit. I'm going to go somewhere for 2-3 days. I'm going to hit somewhere else, go to the next place. Let's say you're up north, you're going down to Palm Springs, you're going to go to Arizona. We're looking at 13, 15, maybe plus on gas mileage. So good unit there, and it's a diesel. We've got a nice double fridge. You see it's got the stainless steel finish. Plenty of storage here. It's just a nice fridge. These units here have the electric cooktop, and you got your microwave down here, convection oven. Nice wood cabinets again by Thor. Solid surface countertops. Nice extension, as well as a nice stainless steel with solid surface countertops, folks. Let's take a quick look on the outside. We got some entertainment I want to show you, and we'll wrap this baby up. Come on. Folks, again, we're outside the 24 SS Siesta. It's a nice diesel rig. We got full entertainment. As you can see, if you're in the sun like we are today, you can move that TV, get out of the glare. We got full entertainment, and one of the cool things with these is we actually have swing doors on these rigs compared to the flip-ups, giving you a little bit more space. We got a real nice full paint unit. It's just a sharp rig, folks, and it's an opportunity to look at a nice traveler. This is Mark Norwood, Garrity RV. Give me a call, 541-913-8321. I'd love an opportunity to help you. Make it a great day.